Nicole, I found the key. You did? We just have to open up a Vanguard account and buy VTSAX, and then we'll be millionaires. It's that simple. Or is it?
Hi, I'm Nadia.
And I'm Nicole, and welcome to the Wealth Twins channel.
Now, in the Simple Path to Wealth book, J.L. Collins makes some great points when it comes to investing. His advice is to stop thinking so much and keep it simple. Just buy Vanguard's VTSAX. That index fund is all you need.
Now, we agree that VTSAX or VTSAX is a good fund, but we also believe that Vanguard and VTSAX aren't for everyone.
Yeah, if you follow us for a while, you would know that we speak about Vanguard and praise them for their funds, but when it actually comes to Vanguard itself, you really won't hear us singing its praises.
And that's really because we have mixed feelings when it comes to them because of their customer service, their platform, and their business models.
Yeah, Vanguard's customer service is tiered. That means that the quality and level of service you receive is based on how much that you have invested with them.
Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like that model. I believe everyone should be treated equally, but I do understand that if the more money you spend, maybe they give it that white glove attention.
Yeah, or if you don't have a lot in their funds, maybe you're going to be put on hold for a while.
That's not cool, right? Anyway, when it comes to Vanguard's website, it's actually also not geared for the beginner. The user experience is not that great, and it can be improved big time.
Now, knowing these two things, you may be saying to yourself, if the customer service isn't great and the platform is difficult to navigate, why do so many people swear by Vanguard? Why, Nicole?
Well, truthfully, we believe it's mainly because of two reasons. Yep. One, Jack Bogle and the FIRE movement. Now, if you don't know who Jack Bogle is, he was actually the founder of Vanguard, and he felt that the average investor could do better in the stock market just by mimicking indexes rather than paying a mutual fund manager to try and beat the market.
Yeah, he knew that beating the market was extremely difficult, and that type of promise, along with the fees that the money managers were getting for it, only hurt the customer in the long run, okay?
Now, to prove his point, he actually created the first index fund for retail investors. Now, a little fun fact for you guys, Jack Bogle wasn't actually the first one to come up with the index fund idea.
He wasn't?
No, he actually was the only one that first applied it to the retail investor. It was actually Edward Renshaw and Paul Philstein that actually came up with index funds. Shout out to my old finance professor, Marty Gruber, for that tidbit, okay?
That's that MBA education coming in handy, right?
I guess so.
Anyway, Bogle was the first to popularize the idea and based on Vanguard's business model, and he made a success out of it, okay? It showed that an investment company can be both highly profitable and do right by the customer at the same time.
Now, fast forward to today, you will have a whole group of people who love Vanguard and their index funds because of their low fees and their great performance. And they love to use it for long-term investing with the goal of becoming financially independent and in the hopes of retiring early.
Those are the FIRE people. Now, we agree with the FIRE people, but we don't know why they have such an allegiance to Vanguard, okay? There are a ton of brokers that now offer low-cost index funds that perform just as well, and they should be taking business away from Vanguard.
Now, you might be saying, well, twins, that's great, but I still want to own VTSAX, so how can I do that if I don't buy it through Vanguard?
How?
Well, what if I told you that you can buy them through a broker like Fidelity or Charles Schwab as easily as you would buy it on Vanguard, okay? Now, the only thing that you might have to do is actually pay a trading fee, but you wouldn't have to open up another account, and you will also get good to great customer service.
Yeah. If you don't want to pay a fee to buy Vanguard funds on another broker's site, you can look into what funds the other brokers offer that are very similar to what Vanguard has and see if they suit your interest. The investing landscape is shifting and Vanguard isn't your only option.
It's not your only option, guys.
When you take fees and fund types out of the equation, a firm should have other qualities that you like in order to get your business.
Yep, there's already a lot to learn when it comes to investing. So the last thing you need is to feel intimidated on a platform and having to deal with a lack of customer service just to start investing.
Yeah, we believe investing should be simple from beginning to end. As long as you have the right tools and the right information, nothing should stop you from using investing to build your wealth.
Keep it simple and you will succeed. If you still need help, we would love to invite you to check out our course so you can have the right information to help you move forward.
Yeah, our course is called Simplified Investing, and in it, we show you how to determine how much you can afford to invest, how to choose your stock investments, build an investment portfolio that's easy for you to monitor and maintain. And this all comes with detailed instruction, support, and resources to give you the ability to make your investment decisions and start building wealth for you and those you love.
Yep, it's taught by us, and it's the stuff that we use, and we want to share it with you.
Yep.
If you're interested in learning more, then click the link in the description below.
Yeah. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.